Okay, in this video we're going to talk about vegetables. The thing I wanted to mention is that there are some people have a real difficult time digesting the cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts. They get a lot of bloating and they have a hard time digesting them. They just don't have the enzymes to break those down. They're not used to consuming them. So in that case, I don't want you to consume vegetables that bloat you and that make your stomach uncomfortable. So you have to find out which ones you know you can't consume and don't consume those. Now, kale, by the way, can be blended and then put in the fridge overnight. And then when you drink that kale juice or that slurry, it's much easier to digest because it has a chance to kind of break down with the enzymes. But typically, you must not have any digestive discomfort when you consume vegetables, or don't keep doing it, because if you have that bloating, it's going to disrupt your ability to burn fat. I would rather you consume lettuce, spring lettuce. Cabbage is probably easier to digest. That's real healthy. Or even spinach, okay? Or other vegetables that you like, that you know that don't bloat you. Asparagus, celery, things like that. Even tomato. So, but the key is that we need the vegetables to balance the protein and fat that you're going to consume, because they do help to provide a lot of nutrients that are not in these other macronutrients, okay? So we get a lot of minerals, specifically minerals, and some vitamins from vegetables. Believe it or not, all the fat-soluble vitamins in vegetables are precursors. They're not real fat-soluble vitamins. So like in carrots, it's carotene, but it's not retinol, the active form. Butter is pure retinol, but carrots are beta-carotene. So you have to convert that, and you only really convert 5% if you have no other problems. A lot of people that I know, if they have stress or they have diabetes or high estrogen, they don't convert those fat-soluble vitamins too well. So the other thing that will help you convert is to add a little butter to the vegetables, because that fat will help the solubility of extracting more of the fat-soluble vitamins. But still, there's a lot of nutrients in vegetables, and especially the phytonutrients. Those are things that have advanced and additional health benefits. So we need vegetables for that, especially like potassium. You're going to need about 4,700 milligrams of potassium every single day. Where do you think you get that? You're going to have to consume 6 to 10 cups. Now, before you freak out, it's not that bad. It's basically a big salad like this, and I'm not talking about like completely pack down those in one cup till it's solid, but just, like have a good salad. I consume a salad for lunch and one for dinner. It's fairly big. It's not that big of a deal. If you want to blend your salad, go right ahead, but you need to start increasing the greens. If you don't have the minerals, you're going to put your body out of balance, and the proteins that you eat are not going to be as available, and you're going to feel like something's missing, and you're going to be a little bit more hungry. So a lot of these nutrients provide satisfaction to your brain, so you don't need to keep consuming these foods. Like if you were to consume chicken wings, right? And you just ate chicken wings, you could eat a tremendous amount of chicken wings, but if you eat the salad first, you can't consume the massive quantities of chicken wings just because your body will turn it off. So do that experiment and then you'll see. But this is the point I want to make. When you eat vegetables, you need a lot of them, and make sure you don't consume those that bloat you.